Welcome to Old Grump's Garage. So the other night at 3 a.m., I wake up to this noise. Now, at 3 a.m., you're not fully conscious and thinking technically and able to do diagnostics and troubleshooting. So I figure out it's a smoke alarm, and I know that it's not the sound it makes for a fire or CO2 problems. So in the fog of my sleepiness, I get a ladder out and put a battery in it, go back to bed. And about 60 seconds later, I hear this noise again. And this goes on most of the night till about 6 a.m. till I can't sleep anymore, and I get up and get the ladder back out, and I take it down and unplug it from the ceiling, and it still makes the noise of the battery in it. But what I noticed is on the back of the smoke detector, there's an explanation of the different beep codes. And the 3 quick chirps that we're hearing mean that the unit's defective. So I thought, great, this will be $45-50. But then it dawned on me, this thing has got a 10-year warranty on it. And right here on the back is the manufacturing date, which shows that it's not 10 years old. So I did some Googling and found the phone number. I called the fine folks. They asked the problem. I explained it to them. I put the battery back in it, and I let them hear the 3 chirps. A few more questions, and then they said, we'll warrant it, and they sent us another one. So I thought I'd make this short video, share this information with you. If you don't understand why the crazy thing's beeping, the beep codes are on the back of the smoke detector, so you can understand what it's doing. And if you have one and it goes 3 chirp codes or 4 chirp codes, meaning it's defective, check the manufacturing date before you throw it away, because if it's got a 10-year warranty, you're going to want to get it replaced for free. So this week I got a box delivered to me. Sure enough, brand new smoke detector, complete with battery. Plug it in, and everything's grand. Hope it helps somebody.